to my channel, Mima's Makeup. In this video, we're gonna make together a DIY or a crochet project for this lovely spider web. As you can see on the screen, it's really lovely, it's really beautiful. I'm using kind of a bulky yarn in this video so you can see how we do this lovely spider web, but of course you can use a fine kind of a yarn and do kind of like the garland for Halloween. So happy Halloween, and if you want to see how to do this lovely spider web, let's get into it. So this is the yarn I'm gonna use. This is bulky 4 or 5, I can't remember, but I'm gonna use with this 6mm crochet hook. So the first thing we're gonna do is a magic ring. Of course you can do like 3 or 4 stitches, but the magic ring is nicer so you can tighten everything. So I'm gonna do this little X here and using my hook and grab that strand of yarn and make one chain to secure my magic ring. And then I will start my project. Okay, so I already have one chain done. Now I'm gonna do another 2 chains. So I have 3 chains. This will be 1 double crochet. Okay, and then I'm gonna make another chain that will be kind of a space between the double crochets I'm gonna do right now. And now I'm gonna do a double crochet inside the magic ring. You can see it's so simple. And here we go. Then chain 1. And then another double crochet. If you don't know how to do the double crochet, you yarn over and go inside the magic ring and grab the yarn and then go through 2, and you're done. And here we go. And I'm gonna do in total 7 double crochet. Sorry, I'm gonna make 7 double crochet inside this magic ring before I close it. Considering the first 3 chains will be 1 double crochet. So here we go, I finished it, and now what we're gonna do, I'm just take this strand of yarn, this tail, and just close my magic ring, and as you can see, the beginning or the foundation is done. Now I'm gonna go to the second row, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain 3, and this will work as a double crochet. Every 3 chains we're gonna make in the beginning of every row will be a double crochet. At the first row we have a 1 chain space. In this row we have 2 chains space between every double crochet. As you can see, I'm gonna go just above in the stitch above the previous double crochet from the previous row and to make another double crochet in that stitch. And then I'm gonna chain 2, which will be the space between the 2 double crochets. Because we are in the second row, we will have 2 chains space. So the first row 1 chain, the second row 2 chains. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Actually, this is basically, it's pretty easy, just go into it. So as you can see, I'm doing 2 chains between every double crochet. I'm working my way to the end of the row, and as you can see, begin to see a little bit of this spider web begin to form. And on the last one, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3 from the previous row, like 3 chains, and on the third one I'm gonna make my double crochet. And here we go, we finished the second row, and it began to form this spider shape, really nice. Just zooming out a little bit, I thought it will be really dark on the camera, because how I see the picture on the camera is kind of different how I see on my computer, but I found it on computer it's really nice because it's a black color, so it's really hard to see, but I guess you see it very well. So again, chain 3 as a double crochet in this row. I'm gonna make 3 chains as a space. This is the third row, right? So let's make a double crochet above each double crochet from the previous row with 3 chains in a space. And again, on the last one, I'm gonna count 3 chains from the previous row, and on the third one, I'm gonna make a double crochet. And third row is finished. And again, chain 3 and go to the next row, and again I'm gonna do 4 double crochet because it's a 4th row. Okay, and do it again. It's so easy, right? So repeat this as much as many rows as you want. So for me, I ended up making 6 rows in total to form a really nice web. Of course, you can increase it. You can make 4, you can make 5, just completely up to you. I love it when you do it the way you want it to be. Just it's how you vision it, how you want it. So feel free to do whatever you want. So as you can see, it looks so beautiful. Begin to form a really nice, lovely spider web. And I'm gonna continue to do another 2 rows. So as you can see here, I have 5 rows. I'm gonna make another one just later on off camera, but this is it. So as you can see, it looks so beautiful. It's so nice. You can increase, decrease, do whatever you want. And as you can see, it's pretty simple and in the same time it looks so beautiful. And if you have just a little spiders, you can just glue it on it. It's really nice. As you can see, this is like 6 rows. As you can see, the increasing from row 1 to row 6. On the row 6, I have 6 chains in between every double crochet. So this is my lovely spider web. Of course, you can make this like increase. I'm showing you, you can increase the rows if you want to, and if you want to have a garland, you just need to just from these 2 sizes make a mini and just make a single crochet or a slip stitch between every one, and you're done. And of course, I'm gonna cut everything and make like another couple of these and just have this really huge spider web and hang it on the wall. Would be so nice for Halloween. And this is it. So I really hope you like this video, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All these links will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much and happy Halloween. Bye.